Make sure the floor scrubber is completely powered off. Unplug the power cord or switch off the power. Place the new battery correctly into the compartment, ensuring it sits securely and level. Reconnect the series connection cable. Connect the positive plus symbol terminal first, then the negative, making sure the terminals are firmly secured. Check that the battery is stable and all cables are properly connected without loosening. Close the battery compartment cover securely to ensure safety. Switch on the power and confirm the floor scrubber is operating normally.